Welcome to Making Sense video series entitled, Robotic Process Automation Success Factors by Amisik. In this episode we explore the total cost of ownership. The total cost of ownership is one of 5 key factors of a successful automation initiative. Experts say that automation adoption will reach approximately 75% within the next few years. That said, many adopters of automation are experiencing mixed results. Recent surveys reveal that 60% of respondents comment that implementation is too slow, 40% that cost reductions do not meet projections, and 35% that costs are too high. 70% comment that technology performance and scalability are real challenges. Surveys also state that those who make the investment target a 24% to 29% initial return on investment. Those that have mastered the application of automation routinely achieve a return on investment exceeding 110% across a 3-year period. Successful automation initiatives require careful strategic planning and superb tactical execution. Tactical success is grounded on a strong understanding of the applicability of automation in your business, the total cost of ownership, the business case, ROI, automation techniques applied, and specific business problems solved. Executive teams often form automation working groups comprised of business and technology leaders, and hand them a narrow mandate to develop and oversee a strategic automation roadmap. Automation working groups convene and consider automation strategy, automation technology, automation program governance, automation people enablement, automation operating model, automation development and support. Executive teams and their business and technology leaders recognize the total cost of ownership as a key success factor for their automation initiative. This episode focuses on the components of the total cost of ownership, defines specific cost considerations and highlights insights to consider. The main components of the total cost of ownership are development and deployment costs, licensing costs, add-on solution costs, maintenance and support costs, training costs, assessment and consulting costs, infrastructure setup costs. Let's take a closer look at licensing, infrastructure setup and maintenance and support cost components of the total cost of ownership. Let's look at licensing costs. These costs include the expenses incurred to purchase the core components of the RPA solution, such as RPA tools, platform and configuration management. In addition, the costs of adding a high availability or disaster recovery component to help ensure business continuity. Business and technology leaders need to consider their user group of professional or citizen developers, ease of use bot design, deployment and management functionalities, scaling capability and more. They also must consider the traditional license and innovative free trial, pay-as-you-consume, pay-by-ROI cost models. Let's look at infrastructure setup. These are the costs of setting up the system, including desktops, servers, and virtual machines. The type of deployment will have a large effect on this cost. There are a variety of architecture and hosting options from fully on-premises to cloud-native SaaS, each with unique security specifications. Technology leaders should consider the operating system that the RPA vendor supports. If it only supports Windows and the existing machines run on Mac or Linux, estimating the cost of making a move to Windows is necessary. If a company opts for cloud deployment, it could save on capital expenses such as hardware. Cloud-native implementation can deliver significant total cost of ownership reductions in the range of 21% to 27%. According to experts, infrastructure setup costs equate to roughly 3% to 4% of the total cost of ownership. The Amisik intelligent automation practice can help you make sense of infrastructure setup costs. Let's look at maintenance and support costs. These costs include the time and resources of the IT team allocated to installing, maintaining and upgrading enterprise RPA software. The IT team should not be spending a lot of time on installations and upgrades. A browser-based solution will ease the job of the IT team, but like any other IT product, your RPA solution may need occasional support. Availability and cost of support from your vendor or third-party service provider would be something to review before finalizing your solution. Let's not forget the domain expertise of the third-party service provider. According to experts, Maintenance and support costs equate to roughly 7% to 8% of the total cost of ownership. The Amisak Intelligent Automation practice can help you make sense of maintenance and support costs. In conclusion, successful automation initiatives require careful strategic planning and superb tactical execution. Tactical success is grounded on a strong understanding of the applicability of automation in your business, the total cost of ownership, the business case, ROI, automation techniques applied and specific business problems solved. The Amisak Intelligent Automation practice can help you make sense of the tactical aspects of successful automation initiatives. Tackling these will move your organization's automation agenda forward, speed up implementation, reduce automation costs, address technology challenges, and improve ROI. Sound execution of the automation program will drive ROIs from the average 24% to 29%, to the extraordinary, greater than 110% across 3 years. Make sure to check out other episodes of Making Sense of the Total Cost of Ownership video series on our LinkedIn page or www.amisak.com or YouTube. Services and solutions by Amisak are designed to help our clients deploy and scale bots quickly, achieve projected returns, manage overall automation costs, and advance to more complex levels of intelligent automation. We help business and technology leaders shape automation strategy, shape automation technology strategy, establish RPA governance programs, design and implement automation operating models, source and train automation technical staff, and either augment internal staff or serve as an external provider of bot development, implementation, and support services. The first stage of our process is a series of exploratory and due diligence calls or meetings during which we identify problems, think about requirements, and evaluate partnership fit. The second stage is an automation discovery workshop during which we begin to explore solutions. To learn more about Amisak, check out our website, LinkedIn page, or YouTube channel. To contact us or to schedule an exploratory call or meeting, you may email or phone us directly.